just won this car in a Facebook raffle, actually. It had a lot of issues, and I had dumped a lot of money into it.
I'm not comfortable having you in this thing at high speed with that, coming down from a wheelie or anything else. After some consideration about the things that we found last night on the car, the rust and the frame rail on the strut tower area, an opportunity presented itself this morning. First thing I seen when I got on Facebook this morning was an 86 GT Foxbody roller. It's a very well-known street race car from Chicago, owned by Schoolboy.
Springs off, and since we don't have a spring compressor, we lowered the rear end down as far as we could to get as much tension off the spring as we could. We have it supported by a jack, and we're going to pop the lower control arm bolts out. That way it'll take all the tension off the spring.
What's up, you guys? We made it to Pacemakers. Now, for those of you guys who don't know, this is my home track, and this is the first track I ever raced at back when I used to race Dave's Ford Lightning. So I'm super excited to be here today and race the Mustang.
Second round with that. She wasn't ready for that. No, you didn't have it up high enough.
What's all that smoke?
Well, you put it together.
Oh God.
Let me see. Oh my God! Whoa! What the
Drain the remaining oil out of it. There's probably not a whole lot left. Some left in there.
I found out pretty quick, you know, as a result of what happens when you just get overexcited and you have a goal and you really want to strive to reach it. And I just felt like I rushed it and I didn't really get the seat time that I needed as a driver to get to know my car before I threw it into a situation like I did. But that motivated me to rebuild it stronger and better. We picked up 3 blocks. 2 of them were 351s, one of them was a 302. I decided to go with a 1971 351 Windsor. Bored and stroked to a 410 by Canon Automotive.
Synchro looks. So it's got a new first gear synchro, new detents, and
What's up, guys? So we just made it to Canon Automotive. I've been here a lot lately, but it's all because we are getting ready to try and get this car together for the 2021 race season. Last time we were here, we dropped off the 220 heads that were sponsored by Lucore Automotive.
Woo! Holy dude.
They decided to sponsor a set of heads in collaboration with my YouTube channel. So a big thank you to them. If you haven't done so already, check out the community section of my YouTube channel. You'll see where I've shared videos from Lucore Automotive. We're gonna go ahead and head on inside. I grabbed my old heads from the shop, and I also have a box of parts that need to go to them to see if we can reuse some of the old stuff from the previous block. And then after that, we're gonna head over to Summit Racing Equipment. So we can go ahead and start buying stuff for the bottom end of the block, like the oil pan, the oil pickup. Thanks to Keith from Cam's, he put together a parts list for me, and I'm gonna go ahead and start cracking down on that. So that way we can get this thing put together fast. These are the heads that we took off of the old block. I'm gonna have them take the springs off of this, that way we can reuse them. And then this is a box of parts I was telling you about. I love my stud girdles. This color is my favorite. But we're gonna go ahead and take these in.
Just in time.
Thank you.
The purple's gone. No, it's still there.
It's still there. It was supposed to wash out.
Have a good evening. Right there. What brand lifters are those?
My mask literally matches this floor. So I went ahead and I got my parts ordered, and then tomorrow I'm gonna pick up and get the rest of them and drop them off at the machine shop. So he followed you, and I was like, I met her, and he started freaking out. It was great. This is the cashier that checked me out last time I was here, guys. She's awesome. Tractor.
I'm being filmed. I want to know why.
YouTube. I have a YouTube channel.
Huh?
I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, I see. You love following me around.
Windows closed, fear and doubt. Stepped and turned, trying to find out.
Only in Mount Vernon. You guys got a new tractor.
Be something I forgot.
What?
All I know is that I miss you a lot.
532, Talmadge, Logan.
A lot. 7 days of eternity, 7 days in another country. Every cell screams, stay right here.
See? I don't know if you're supposed to touch that, but
Oh. I didn't touch it.
if you had a Jeep, I could see you getting those on them. On it, I should say. If you got a Jeep, what color would it be?
Green.
Green?
Like, but not a bright green, like a darker green.
Darker green?
Yeah.
I mean,
There's no sign that says do not see.
so what are all these to the right? You looked at the tag. What's to your left? No, don't look at the tag. What are these? You looked at the tag.
Yeah.
All right, supercar blonde. Tell me what this car is.
Something that starts with a V. Ventura.
Hey, oh my gosh. I gotta get that for Barney. Oh, that's so nice.
We got time on our side. When I stayed home, I need you on my side. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way.
So Sonya got her first camera. It's a Polaroid camera. I love Polaroids. They're the best.
Oh no, that was an awful 5.
No,
It's fine.
it's cute. I love it. That's awesome.
Okay, now we have to take one from you where I don't look good. Oh, it's not that bad now that it's coming through.
See? Told ya.
We cute.